All right, to sign in and create a Google Goodreads account, you need to sign in with Google. Choose your school account. Then you're going to make sure the information is correct. Create a password that you will not forget. Using your school ID number would be a smart choice. Hit next. I'm going to skip this step, but if you have friends in Facebook, Gmail, or Twitter, you could send recommendations to friends and have them join Goodreads. For the book challenge, we are 40 book challenge is what I'm going to put in here, and this will keep track for you how many books you've read. This is a good place for you to set book recommendations, so just the type of books that you like to read, just go ahead and click some of those. If you don't want to do this, you could just hit continue. And then it will give you a series of books that you could mark as wanting to read. So if any of these look good, you could hit want to read. And so you've started to add books to a want to read bookshelf. Goodreads is going to help you create a list, several different bookshelves, a shelf of books you've finished reading, books you're currently reading, and books that you want to read. So for this purpose, we're just going to click finish rating, but you can spend more time doing this if you want. What we want to do right now is add at least the book you're currently reading. So I'm currently reading Wild Robot. So I'd search in my title here. I click this book. At this green drop-down menu, you have some choices here. I'm going to mark that I'm currently reading it. You could also, if you've finished reading it, hit that you've read it. I just want to have something on my bookshelf. So now we're going to create our bookshelf. I'll go under My Account, down to Account Settings. You're going to go to the fun word Widgets. And there's several options for different widgets. This is allowing information from other websites to be on your personal site. I'm going to scroll down a little bit to this bookshelf. Customize your widget. You're going to hit currently reading. This will let anybody who comes to your website know what books you are currently reading. Then you are going to copy this huge amount of text right here. Okay, and then you're going to do Control-C. All right, now that I've copied this information from Goodreads with a Control-C, I'm going to go to my website. I'm going to click the Embed button. I'm going to click Embed Code, and that I'm going to do Control-V and paste in all of the information from Goodreads and hit Next. And then Insert. And now I can resize it and move it around as I want to. But that is how you create a Goodreads bookshelf and embed it on your website.